Good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of Future Technicals. As we all know, this is basically a market outlook session. We get to see what opportunities you can grab from the markets, and then you guys get to see more of my strategies, how I get my entries, and then how I get my exits. Now, before we get started, for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page. Okay, let's start there. So, fundamental wise, okay, there's a new CHF CPI. Yeah, CPI is always high impact by 8:30. So watch out for that. I think it will catch the session. So then we have another news by 2:30, price index, and then we have another one by 4 p.m. So it's going to be it's just going to be there, but then it's not going to be anything serious that we should run away from. So now let's jump on our charts to work. Yeah. So now starting with AUD all these pairs are pretty bullish. Yeah, let's see. God, this stuff. So now, basically, this was it. Yeah, we were in an uptrend. We broke structure. We came back. We tested. So this was where we got that whole. There was an entry criteria there, but then we were like, okay, price already started pushing up, and then we should leave it alone. Let's see price. We break structure before we actually enter, and then price actually tapped up, came back again and tapped that 0.6 Fibonacci level before it's exploding to the upside. So we're still continuing that uptrend currently. Now, what can we look out for? We broke these highs yesterday. Yeah, broke these highs yesterday. So basically, what we can watch out for now is, are we going to see a retracement that will come back to retest this trade? So are we going to see a retracement that will come back to or retest this level? So that's where I'm actually like looking out for. At the same time, let me drop my Fibonacci to see where our level is. Let's see. Good. The 0.6 level is exactly at that structure that was broken. So we can expect a retest of that place and then a continuation. Now, the next pair we have is NZD-USD. What is NZD-USD? Now, NZD-USD2 is the same thing. We tapped into these levels again before what we rejected and went to the upside yesterday. This. So now we broke this structure to the upside. What we can wait for now is what a retest of those levels. So we can get a buy entry from there. So this is going to be what we're looking at today. So let's see. Drop fee from here to here. Good. That's easy. As easy as this. So let's wait and see how price will behave. Now, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. This is very sad. So yesterday, this was the range we had here, and I was like, we have to get out of this range before I say anything. And then we got out of it. We sold to the downside, and then we came back into the range almost immediately and be immediately sell. So now, I don't know, I'm still going to leave this one alone for now. I'm still going to leave it because it's not as clear as AUD and NZD So I don't want to start forcing things. Then GBP still is the same thing. I'm going to leave it alone. We exited that range yesterday and then came back inside and exited again. So something like this was the range. This was the range. And then price exited to the downside. I went back up to break it. And then now it's coming back down. So I'm going to leave it alone for now. I'm not going to touch it. Now, GBP JPY. It's the funny thing is the same thing. Yeah, this was the analysis we had yesterday for a break of structure and then a retest for a continuation. But then we broke structure, we came back, we retested with no continue. We came back down again, we're breaking to the downside. Yeah, so now what can we pay attention to? Whether we're going to have what a retest of this low here, this low that has just been broken. I think we tested it prematurely and then we're just going, but then we're still going to have a proper retest of it. So you should just pay attention to this level. Whether price will come back to retest it and then we'll catch sales from there. So that's what I'm going to be looking out for on GBP JPY. Then gold. Hmm. I think I'm going to leave some niggas alone for now. Gold actually broke structure beautifully yesterday to the upside. Yeah, the break of structure. And then price. And then price basically was pushed up. Yeah. And then I think now it's trying to retrace, but then we have not shifted structure yet. Let me see. We shifted on the 15 minutes. Oh, we have it. So it's just to calm down. Let's wait and see price reject. And then we'll take the buys from this level here that was broken yesterday. So it's just to calm down, see if the retracement is going to happen. Now, USD card. USD card is just cheating. Yesterday, this was what happened, yeah? We broke this lower high here to the upside. I analyzed this when I was in class yesterday with the students, yeah? And then this was the level we're looking at to see price react for. Now, price tapped into this level. We bought for a while, and then we started selling. Yeah, and then we came back to break that low to the downside, that higher low to the downside. Now, that point now we have what to shift the market structure. Now we have a shift in market structure. What are we looking at now? Can we get what a retest of this level for what itself to the downside? So that's what we're going to be looking at from USD card. I've looked at all the pairs. Yeah, that was very fast. Is there another pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go?
Yeah.
Any pair you guys want us to take a look at before we go? What? I can't hear. I don't know if you can type it. Okay, in the absence of any other pair, I think we'll call it a session. So please, like I always say, you guys should keep an open mind with the market, yeah? Flow with the market. And please, if you don't see your position, don't stick. If you don't see anything we're looking out for, don't stick it. Yeah. So you guys should have a very beautiful trading day, and I'll catch you guys same time tomorrow.